Hey there, welcome to What Is It Wednesday. So it's a new year and I'm going to be doing something a little bit different moving forward because I know that a lot of you guys have already gotten a head start on the 5th edition task list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the content, the task list items, numbers for both task lists. Okay, so today's question is going to cover content from the 4th edition task list B01 and 5th edition A5. And the question is, a clearly outlined and described procedure that is easy to replicate describes this dimension of ABA. And the answer is technological. What technological refers to is direct and precisely replicable procedures. What makes us technological is the fact that we write out what we do in recipe-like form so that anybody could step in and replicate the procedure exactly as it was intended. This is something very unique to us and scientific method in general. And this is a requirement for our field. Again, that clearly defined, detailed information about the procedure like a recipe so that it is replicable and has an opportunity to generate the same results and yield that reliability that's so super important for the work that we do. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next time.